When you own a home, there are going to be certain responsibilities that come with home ownership. And certainly when you sell a home, you're going to find out what those responsibilities are. I had a client who said to me, "Hey, Rebecca, I have all these upgrades. I had the roof changed out and I had the HVAC system replaced." Those would not be considered upgrades. Those are considered great maintenance or updates, but not necessarily upgrades because they're expected. It would be like your landscaping, your appliances. Those are all things you want to have in functional order. Certainly the roof when it's at its end of life, or your HVAC system. If those aren't done and you have an inspection when you're selling your home, those are going to be asked for, and it actually could impact your value because those are expected. Those aren't things that are optional. They are expected by your buyer, that they're being taken care of and that their maintenance is being handled. Now, if we talk about upgrades, that's something different. That's maybe you decide to change out your kitchen, your cabinets, your flooring. Those are things that don't have to be done, but they add value. And if you hit those marks right for the buyer in your community, for instance, forever, the white shaker cabinets, that was really desirable. If you had white shaker cabinets and you replaced maybe an older style cabinet, those would be considered upgrades. They weren't necessary. But if your roof is at end of life, that's not going to be considered an upgrade when it's replaced. It's an expectation. Those are two very different things. Maintenance preserves your value and upgrades enhance your value. So those are two different things, but they all add value, but for different reasons. So if you have any questions about what might be an upgrade versus what might be typical maintenance or what's going to add value, please always feel free to reach out to me. I would love to talk to you about it. You can always contact me for a confidential discussion about a strategy around your home. I'm always going to provide my Kane client care where we communicate and advocate and navigate and educate in every market we're in, because you deserve uncompromised service for all your real estate needs. I look forward to hearing from you in the future if you need anything at all.